Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of Yahoo Mail on your phone. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail app, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you get the Yahoo Mail application? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Yahoo Mail. And after doing that, it's going to take you through a process, so just follow through the on-screen instructions to install and download. Now after downloading the application itself, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be required to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Now whichever one you choose, once you log in successfully or you sign in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now right here, let's quickly hop into this text, and that is how to log out of Yahoo Mail on your phone. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. So click on that and it takes you here. Upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus. You have add another mailbox, manage accounts, notification settings, and feedback. Go ahead and click on manage account. And once you click on manage account, it takes you here. So Yahoo Mail is very sensitive, so they're very sensitive to your account. So once you click on that, and you can use manage account from here, or you can use settings and head over to manage accounts, and that takes you to this window. Now I'll tell you what's here. Now over here is your information. That's your account. So say use this account in Yahoo Mail, and my account here is in recommended experiment, so you see your name there and you see account info. Now, the most important part is that you see a toggle that is just right next to your account name. So for you to log out, just go ahead and click on that toggle to toggle off. So the toggle on is blue. So click on that toggle and it goes off, it turns gray. So once it turns gray, that's it. That means you have logged out of your Yahoo Mail account, that particular account. So just toggle that off, and that's the logout for you. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.